Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add SSL certificate to GoDaddy domain. So first, log into your GoDaddy and then click your profile and then scroll down, click My Products. And then here you have to scroll down again and click this SSL certificates. Once you tap SSL, and then you will see here Setup beside. So you just have to simply click Setup right here. And this is where you're going to add your domain. So as you can see, identify a primary domain, choose a domain, provide a domain here. All you have to do is to right click and then paste or type it right here. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to click continue. Now, after you click this setup, if your domain is hosted externally, you may need to generate CSR or certificate signing requests and install the SSL manually by following the instructions provided by your hosting provider. After that, verify the installation. So after the SSL certificate is installed, check to ensure it is working correctly by visiting your website. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.